Alright, so today I want to give you guys a little better look at the new MagBak Elite case for the Pixel 10 series devices that just came out. If you are not familiar with MagBak, they have been around for a number of years. They actually predate MagSafe cases and all that before Apple even introduced them, and thanks to the Pixel 10 series now including Qi 2 standards, that makes these cases even better because you're getting magnet on magnet support. What's the beautiful thing about these cases are you have extra magnets on the side here. They're actually telescoping magnets. You do have a little finger loop right here as well if you want to rest your finger on it. You have that kickstand that is very secure, as you can hear the snaps. A little pinky pillow to help avoid this issue right here and get that little pinky fatigue from holding your phone. Your pinky will thank you later, trust me. But what makes this even better than all of that is just how customizable it is. As you can see here, we do have red accents on this. It actually came with black ones, but they're all interchangeable and easily pop in and out. Same with the loop. When you don't have the phone in, you literally can just pop it out like this, lift this piece up, and pull this right out. And then you are able to put in any other version you want. They have a ton of color combos. Like I said, black is what it came with. There's a grayish white if you choose, or you can just leave it black. But the beauty is just how easy and quick it is to get these all installed. Literally, place it down like that, and you are back ready to go. These have, again, been around for a while, so they know what they're doing. And if you take a piece of that paper to see the magnets, look how many magnets are actually included in the case here, just to make sure you're getting the best grip for your MagSafe or Pixel Snap accessories, as Google's calling them specifically for this series. So when you actually go to pop this in your phone, there's actually a screen protector that comes in the box that acts as an alignment tool for it, and you can't even see it, but it is flush and it works perfectly well with your fingerprint sensor even. Every time you want to lock it, that's all you got to do and you are good to go. I think it's actually one of the best cases around that helps with the rocking on your cases. You don't have to worry about any of that. And it's just an all-around good-looking case. Again, plenty of accent colors that you might want to put on. And let's go ahead and actually open this little whitish silver one here for the Pixel 10 Pro, and I'll show you just how easy it is to get it on. So say, for instance, you want to just leave what you have here done with everything else but the camera piece. You literally can just set it down, flip this over, and then look for where the grooves line up right in the case, and you're going to just simply snap it right down. So, not sure if you've heard it click, but that's it. And now yet again, you have a little bit different of another color combination for this case. And there you go. It's that easy. If you want to change all of these, all of the buttons, all of these little accents for your grip, slide right in and out, and you can interchange those like I showed you earlier, just as well. Now, let me show you exactly how these work with the new Pixel accessories. This is the Pixel Snap charger. Looks very much like a MagSafe puck, but let's open this up and I'll give you a quick look at how this works as well. So once you pull that off, lift this right up, and you can slide it out. Now, we have a whole book of reading materials if you so choose. We're just going to pluck that to the side though. And as you can see here, it looks very familiar. But get a load of this. It will actually work perfectly fine right here also. And I'm shaking it, it's not going anywhere. So plenty of grip. You have that finger loop, but it does not interfere at all with usability of the Qi 2 standard or Qi 2.2 if you're using the Pixel 10 Pro XL. That's the only one that actually gets the included increase in wireless charging speeds, but as you can see, it works really good. And then if you're not looking to charge and just want something extra here, we do have the Pixel Snap ring stand. So let's go ahead and pull this one off as well now and open this up to show you. The one thing that surprised me about this was actually just how much larger than it was than what I expected. I think it still does look great. However, I thought it would be a little smaller, but it is literally about the same size as the actual charging puck. So all you're going to do again though, snap it right on, and then you can lift it up as you wish and hold it and take a look at that. It's not going anywhere. And then you even have an additional kickstand and some other angles if you so choose for these accessories. But that magnetic grip on this is really good. So that case does its job tenfold. If you want extra protection, it is right here for you. And again, like I said, fingerprint sensor works pretty well. You don't get that with a lot of other case manufacturers that provide screen protectors. Usually they're somewhat on the less expensive side and less quality side. You don't have to worry about that here at all. So this is just some of the accessories coming to the Pixel lineup. MagBak has been around, like I said, a while. I would recommend them any day of the week if you are looking for a nice case that will last a while. So again, you do have that kickstand here. You have that pinky pillow to help protect it and protect the charging port that actually does attach right in and fit mostly flush. Those telescoping magnets, and also that nice finger loop if that's your thing. You just slide it right in and you are good to go. So let me know down below what you guys think of this new MagBak Elite case for the Pixel 10 Pro series, and comment down below if you're going to be picking one up. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.